welcome to my channel. I am I'm Ria, and today I am taking you guys along with me on my little vlog. I am going to the bar today, not the drinking bar, but the Birmingham.
Speed check reported ahead on I-65 North. The
Birmingham Association of Realtors. You have to go there to do the orientation, so I am en route right now. I'm gonna cut the camera off for a second because there's a speed check with me, which means there is state troopers up ahead. So I will see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, so we are breaking for lunch, and I'm going to go to Social Taco and see what their birria tacos are like. The scenery is nice. Let me show you. This is where I am, and yeah. These tacos were so good. Birria tacos are my absolute favorite. Okay, y'all, so my open house is tomorrow, so I am prepping, making little snack bags, getting my water prepared so that the people who come by, they'll have something to snack on and drink on as they view the lovely home that I'll be showing the open house for. So, I know I'm looking a mess right now, but I poured me a cup of wine because I need to unwind and like just, I don't know. I'm trying to braid my hair down or twist it down so I can wear my wig tomorrow. So I ain't want to try to seem looking crazy, but this is what I look like right now. I think I have like 2 more to do maybe, and then tie it back. But nonetheless, y'all, I am stressed to the max. I am overwhelmed. I have anxiety. So I'm just trying to calm my nerves. Tomorrow is my very first open house. Wish me luck. By the time you see this video, I would have already done the open house, but wish me luck anyways, because I need a qualified buyer. I need 3, 4, 5. Like, Lord, send me as many as you think that I can handle, period. But yeah, tomorrow's the big day. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna show you some clips. Today is Friday, April 5th. Yesterday was Thursday, April 4th, of course. But this is like a 3-day vlog. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then I'll edit it Sunday and post it Monday for you guys. But yeah, Thursday. Yesterday I went to Birmingham to go to the bar, not a drinking bar like some people probably think. It's the Birmingham Association of Realtors. I had to go to Birmingham because that's who my brokerage is signed up with. So I had to join because they were joined. Normally when your brokerage is affiliated with any type of associations, the real estate agents have to be affiliated with the same association. So that's the case. I have a little drive ahead of me in the morning. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm believing in God for a great turnout. All right, y'all, that's enough of the chit chat. And I know y'all tired of looking at me looking crazy, but yeah, I just wanted to pop in because I didn't want y'all to think that I forgot about y'all, because how could I ever, like, really? But yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, everybody, and I am back today. Today is Saturday, April 5th. I am ready for my open house, and as you guys can see, I just gotta get a brush and, like, you know, put my hair in its places. But your girl is ready, so I gotta do a few errands before I hit the road. I'm gonna do an outfit check probably when we get there, and yeah, I'm excited, guys. All right, guys, so I am en route, kind of sort of ish, to Calera, Alabama. The neighborhood is Emerald Ridge. It's new construction homes. Timing, the map says I would get there by 10:34, which is okay. I wanted to get there like a little earlier than that. The open house is at 11, but 10:34, I guess that gives me like 30 minutes, which is fine. That's enough time. The reason why I'm a little bit behind was because of the freaking balloons. I got 2 gold stars. I wanted like a khaki colored, but it just didn't work out that way, and I ain't have the time to look because I spent 15 minutes in Dollar General for them to trying to figure out how to blow up the damn balloons, and they still, after me leaving, saying, you know what, it's okay, thank you for trying. I'm a little pressed for time, but I appreciate it. I left and they still have not figured out how to do it. Why is it that only one person knows? Did you not ever think, you know what, we kind of need more than one person to know how to blow up balloons? Did that not ever cross y'all mind? Like, to cross-train people on different aspects of the job. To me, that makes sense. But, you know, hey, everybody do shit different. So, you know, hey, yeah. Right now, I am going to Grammy's house to get a chair, and then I'll be on the way. So I just wanted to pop in, let y'all know what I was doing, where I was headed. If I was still going, yes, I'm still going, and whatnot. But hey, I got my loaded tea, give me some energy, literally NRG, and yeah, I'll see y'all when I get there. Okay, y'all, I got to, you know, get my travel music going, praise God while I'm driving, because he protected me the whole way there, back, and while I'm there. So I got to give my praises to the Lord. Okay, got to give my praises to the Lord. Here we go. Welcome home. Dining room. This is the laundry room. This, oh, okay, well, I guess you can't. We can edit that out. This is the kitchen, refrigerator, pantry, stainless steel, living room, linen closet, back porch, and this is the master. Walk-in shower, bathroom, walk-in closet. So right now, guys, I'm just sitting here in the house. It's empty. As I probably put the walkthrough before this clip. If not, you may see it after this clip, but it's empty. I baked my cookies and I'm just sitting here. As people come in, they'll see me and I'll greet them. But so far, so good. I will keep you guys updated. I'm hungry though.